Hi, welcome to my channel Tech Easy Learning. Today we are going to see a topic in SCD. One of the important operations we perform on any file is backup. And I think everybody knows what is the backup command for. The backup command in Linux. How to use CP. Okay. But here SCD provides the write command to store the contents of the pattern buffer in a file. We can store the contents in a separate file. Okay, how can we do that? We will see now. Okay. Here I am having one small text file which contains books and author name. It contains around 4 lines. Now I am going to show how to write in a separate file. See, by using this, we can write it in a separate file. That means we are going to take the copy of it. Okay. In the Linux, we will be using the command CP. Here, we will be using this SCD-N and W stands for write. We are writing in a separate file called test.bak. That means backup. And the original text file is text. Then we will check how it works now. Before that, there is no file called test.bak. Already I issued the command ls. In the list, there is no file called test.bak. Now it will be created. See, test.bak has got created backup file. BAK. Both contains the same content only. If you got any doubt, we can use the diff command. The differences, there is no differences. Both are one and the same only. Okay. But you may ask one question here. Both the CP command in the Linux and here we are using SCD. Both are doing the same one only. Now, then what is the use of this SCD command? We are using the Streamline editor. No? What is the use of it? So here, if you want to write only a few lines, if you want to copy only a few lines from this file to another file, we can do that. We cannot do that with the help of the CP command. I will show you now. Here, what it happens is we are going to write only the even lines from the test file. The test file contains 4 lines, and we are going to take only the even lines. That means second line, fourth line, like that. If it is second line and fourth line, it should write Tale of Two Cities and Owls in the Family to the separate file. Here I have given the file name as junk.bak, and that 2 stands for the that even lines. Okay, 2 tilde and 2 have to give like this, and W write into the separate file junk.bak. Now we will see what happens. See, it has written only 2 lines, and I will show the original file also. See, it took the second line and the fourth line. Okay, this is the way you can do with the help of the SCD. SCD is powerful programming that language, which helps us to transfer the particular part of the data file to the another file, so that it will be more useful in the real-time environment. For example, if you're having one text file which contains the books and authors, and if you want to take out the list of only the particular author, for example, Ruskin Bond or Charles Dickens, we want to write only that book list to the another file, you can do with the help of the SCD. Okay. Here we are going to find out the author name Ruskin. Okay. And here there is a case sensitive. Okay. And there are two books available, but it will take only the that smaller case. I have given only the smaller case that in the pattern. I have specified only in smaller case, so it will take only the that text file content which is written in the smaller case only. Okay. Now let me see. See, it took that particular book and author, but only one line it has taken. Why means it is a case sensitive. Ruskin Bond I have given only in smaller case. Okay. If this file contains around 1,000 authors, then it will be very useful. Okay. It will transfer all the books and that author name to the separate file, so that it will be very easy for you to process it. So these type of small the tips will be very useful in the real-time environment where we are doing a lot of text processing activity. We will be receiving data files. We have to cut around 10,000 lines from the particular file, or if you want to write some from the 1,000 lines to the 2,000 line to the another file, that type of thing we can do with the help of this SAD. Okay. I can try it in the real-time environment also. First test it in the test server, and you can do it in the real time. Okay. Thanks. Bye. We will be seeing some more commands like this in the coming video.